I'm an amphibian. I begin life in the water, and I hatch from an egg. I also have moist skin. I start life with gills, and I mostly stay by water. I'm a reptile, and I have dry skin by covered scales. I spend time in water, and
Some are born live. We are born live.
and some are born live. We breathe air, and we live in warm climates. Most are able to meet needs as soon as born.
I'm a fish, and I have scales to protect me. And I breathe with my gills. I have many different shapes, and I have many different shapes and sizes. I live life in water, and my species mostly lay eggs. Bye. Hi, I'm a mammal, and we use lungs to breathe. We have hair and fur, and we feed our young. And we learn from our parents, and we give life birth.
I'm a puppy. I use lungs to breathe. I have fur. I feed milk to my young. I learn from my mommy until I can care for myself. I give live birth, and I'm a mammal.
Hello there, I'm a fish, and my name's Champagne, and I'm from the live Saturday Night Talk Show, and I host it. You can call me Payne, Mr. Payne for short, and I'm a fish. I have scales that help protect me. I breathe with gills. I come in all different shapes and sizes. I live in the water, and most of us lay eggs. It was fun talking to you. Later.
I'm an amphibian. I begin life in water. Later, I move to land. I hatch from an egg. I have mostly skin. I stay close to water, and I start life with gills. Then I get lungs. I am a bird. I have feathers. I hatch from an egg. I have wings to fly. I use lungs to breathe. And I have legs. And I'm
Guys, I'm a shark. I'm very scary.
And I'm a fish. I'm a fish, and scales protect us. We breathe with gills. We come in many shapes and sizes. We live our whole life in water, and we mostly come out of eggs.
Thank you. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'm a bull moose. I'm a mammal.
We use lungs to breathe. We have fur or hair. We feed milk to our young. The young can't care for themselves, so we take care of them. They give live birth.
Isn't that interesting, you all? Now learn from me.
Guys, I'm an amphibian. I begin life in water, then slowly climb onto land when I get older. I hatch from eggs. We have more skin. Try for that pause. We mostly stay close to water. Start life with gills. Thank you.
I use lungs to breathe. I have fur or hair. I feed milk to my young, or my babies, if you would like to call them that. I learn from my parents to care for myself, and I give birth to life.
Hi, I am an amphibian. I begin life in water. Later, I move to my new land. I hatch from eggs. I have moist skin. I sometimes stay by water, and some of my friends do, too. I start with life with gills. My scales protect me. I breathe with gills. All different kinds of fish are many different shapes and sizes. We live our whole life in water. Most of my friends lay eggs. Hi, I'm a reptile, and I live in warmer climates. Most of my friends hatch from eggs, but some are born live. I have dry, scaly skin. I use lungs to breathe. I'm able to meet needs as soon as I am born. Tweet, tweet. too. I use lungs to breathe. I have 2 legs so I can walk.
Mammal. I breathe with lungs, and I have fur. I feed to their young. I feed my young baby. I learn from my parents. I bring life in water. Later move to land. Hatch from eggs. Have moist skin. Most stay close to water. Start life with gills, then lungs.
I'm a bird. I have feathers. My species hatch from eggs. We have wings, and most of my species flies. We use lungs to breathe. And we have.
Hi, I'm a reptile.
Hi, I'm a
Live
fish.
in
My scales
warmer
protect me.
climate.
Breathe with gills,
Most hatch
and
from
many
eggs.
fish-
Some
fish
born
of many
live,
different sizes
dry,
and
scaly skin. They live to
their whole life in
breathe,
water. Most
able to
fish
meet
lay eggs.
needs as soon as born.
We are reptiles. I'm a type of fish called a piranha. I am a type of fish. Scales protect the fish. We breathe with gills. We are many different shapes and sizes. We live their whole life in water. Most of us lay eggs.
I use lungs to breathe. I have fur and hair. I feed milk to my young ones. They learn from me. I give them live birth.
Hi, I'm an owl. I have feathers. I hatch from eggs. I also have wings. Mostly all owls or all birds fly. I use lungs to breathe like mammals, and I also have 2 legs. I'm a fish. Scales protect my skin. I breathe with gills. All the fish are many different shapes and sizes. We live our whole life in water. We mostly lay
Reptile. I live in warmer climates than any other kinds of people. Mostly I hatch from eggs. Some of my kind have live birth. I am dry and scaly skin. Use lungs to breathe. I am able to meet needs as soon as born.
Hi, I'm a peacock. I have feathers. I hatch eggs. I use wings to fly. I use my lungs to breathe, and I have 2 legs.
I have lungs to breathe. I also have fur. I feed my babies with milk. I learn to care for myself by my parents. I give live birth to my baby. I'm an amphibian. I begin life in water. Later, I move to land. I hatch from eggs. I have really moist skin. I stay close to the water. I start life with gills, and then they turn.
I am a mammal. I breathe through lungs. I have fur or hair. I feed milk to my young. I learn from my parents about care, and I give live birth.